Imagine holding a camera in your hands that feels like an extension of your own vision, a tool so powerful, so precise, that it transforms every fleeting moment into a masterpiece. This isn't just any camera. This is the Nikon D850. Today, we're diving deep into why photographers around the world are obsessed with this marvel of engineering. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why it's not just a camera, it's a game changer. From the very first glance, the Nikon D850 demands attention. Its robust, weather-sealed body speaks volumes about durability. You know that feeling when you touch something and immediately sense quality? That's what the D850 feels like in your hands. But it's not just about looks or build, it's about what lies within. At the heart of the D850 is its breathtaking 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor. Imagine every detail you've ever seen captured with astonishing clarity. The kind of detail that makes you lean in, stare, and wonder if it's real. This is the camera that allows photographers to capture the world as they truly see it, from the subtlest textures to the most vibrant colors. And the best part? It doesn't matter if you're shooting a sweeping landscape, an intimate portrait, or the chaotic energy of city streets. The D850 handles it all with grace and precision. But megapixels alone don't make a camera great. The Nikon D850 excels in low-light conditions, offering a dynamic range that seems almost magical. Shadows hold secrets, and highlights maintain their brilliance without ever washing out. It's the kind of performance that turns challenging conditions into opportunities for creativity. No more losing moments because the light wasn't perfect. With this camera, even the night feels like it's made for photography. Autofocus can make or break a shoot. And here, the D850 is in a league of its own. Its 153-point AF system is lightning fast, instinctively tracking subjects with incredible accuracy. Whether you're photographing a sprinter crossing the finish line, a wild animal in motion, or a child's candid laughter, the D850 keeps up, never missing a beat. It's almost like the camera anticipates the perfect shot before you even press the shutter. And let's talk about speed. Shooting at 7 frames per second, or even faster with a battery grip, means you'll never miss that fleeting expression, that split-second gesture, that one-in-a-million moment that tells the whole story. Combine that with the sheer resolution, and you can crop, zoom, or reframe your images without sacrificing quality. The D850 isn't just capturing moments, it's giving you freedom, flexibility, and control over your vision. Now, for those who crave versatility, the D850 doesn't disappoint. Its tilting touchscreen LCD allows for creative angles, while the optical viewfinder delivers that classic, immersive experience photographers love. Every control is thoughtfully placed, every menu intuitive, and every feature designed to make your creative process seamless. It's a camera that doesn't just perform, it collaborates. Video creators, pay attention. The D850 isn't just a still photography powerhouse, it's a video machine. 4K UHD capture, full-frame sensor, and incredible color depth allow you to produce cinematic footage that rivals dedicated video cameras. Slow-motion sequences, time-lapse, rich audio capture. It's all within reach, giving you the freedom to tell stories that feel alive and real. Every photographer has a dream lens. With the D850, those lenses find their true potential. Whether you're using a wide angle to capture grand landscapes, a telephoto to bring distant subjects close, or a prime lens for that perfect portrait, the D850 maximizes every detail. Its image quality, sharpness, and color accuracy are unmatched. Every frame is a testament to what happens when technology meets artistry. But perhaps the most enchanting feature of the D850 isn't on paper, it's the experience. There's a magic in using a camera that responds instinctively, that lets you forget the mechanics and focus entirely on creation. It's a tool that empowers, challenges, and inspires. Every shot feels intentional. Every photo tells a story. Every moment becomes timeless. Imagine hiking to the top of a mountain, the sunrise breaking over the horizon, and capturing every nuance of light as if the scene itself had posed for you. Imagine walking through a bustling city street, the chaos of life distilled into perfect composition. Imagine photographing a loved one. Every smile, every glance, every fleeting emotion frozen in exquisite detail. That's the Nikon D850 experience. And beyond the technical brilliance, it's the community, the stories, the shared obsession with excellence that makes owning a D850 something special. Photographers around the world, professionals and enthusiasts alike, speak the same language of passion and dedication when they pick up this camera. It's more than a tool. It's a rite of passage, a statement of intent, a promise to yourself that you'll never settle for mediocrity. So, whether you're capturing the majesty of nature, the intimacy of human connection, or the adrenaline of fast-paced action, the Nikon D850 doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. Every detail, every nuance, every moment becomes a masterpiece. It's a camera that challenges you to see more, feel more, and create more than ever before. By now, you might be asking yourself, is it for me? And the answer is simple. If you crave perfection, if you refuse to compromise, if you dream of capturing life in its purest form, the Nikon D850 isn't just for you. It's waiting for you. In the end, the Nikon D850 isn't just a camera. It's an invitation to see the world in unparalleled detail, to create images that resonate, to tell stories that endure. It's a reminder that when passion meets precision, the results aren't just photographs. They're experiences, memories, and works of art. So, the next time you pick up a camera, ask yourself, am I ready to capture life as it deserves to be seen? If the answer is yes, then the Nikon D850 is ready to take you there. Your journey, your vision, your story, elevated, refined, and immortalized in every frame. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about taking photos. It's about capturing the essence of life itself. And with the Nikon D850, every moment, every detail, every emotion is yours to seize. But let's pause for a moment and imagine something. You're standing on a quiet street just before dawn. The city is still asleep, yet every shadow, every glint of light, every hint of color is waiting to be captured. You lift the Nikon D850 and suddenly the world shifts. Ordinary streets become cinematic landscapes. Ordinary moments transform into extraordinary memories. That's the kind of power this camera puts in your hands, turning the mundane into the magical. And it's not just about technical specs, it's about how it makes you feel as a creator. There's a certain thrill when you know your equipment won't hold you back. When every click of the shutter, every adjustment, every frame captured is exactly what you envisioned. No compromise. Pure creation. The D850 gives you that freedom. It's liberating, addictive, and incredibly satisfying. Think about wildlife photography. Animals are unpredictable, fleeting, often just a blur. But with the D850's precision autofocus, incredible frame rate, and detailed sensor, you don't just photograph wildlife. You anticipate, track, and capture the exact instant that tells a story. The subtle tilt of an eagle's wing, the shimmer in a fox's eye, the fleeting curiosity of a deer, they're no longer moments that escape your lens. They become permanent, tangible, and breathtaking. And for landscape photographers, the D850 is nothing short of revolutionary. That 45.7 megapixel sensor doesn't just capture scenery, it captures life. Sunrises explode with color, clouds carry texture, rivers and lakes mirror the sky with impeccable clarity. Post-processing? Minimal. The camera gives you what you saw, only better, more vivid, more alive, more real. Now, imagine wedding photography. A couple's laughter, a tear rolling down a cheek, a glance that speaks volumes. These moments last a lifetime. The D850's high-resolution sensor ensures you capture every subtle detail, every nuance, without ever feeling invasive. Its low-light performance means that even the soft glow of candlelight or the golden hour's fading warmth is perfect. Every shot is authentic, every memory preserved beautifully. And here's something photographers rarely talk about: longevity. Many cameras fade in value or relevance after a few years. The D850, however, is built to last. Robust, reliable, future-proof. This isn't just an investment in a camera. It's an investment in your craft, your growth, and your creative journey. Every click, every frame, adds to a legacy that will endure. But let's be honest, features matter only when they serve creativity. The D850 understands that. Its ergonomics make long shoots effortless. Its intuitive menus mean you spend less time fiddling and more time creating. Its controls feel second nature. It's a camera that works with you, not against you. And when the day ends, when the shutter finally rests, you feel satisfaction, a rare, pure satisfaction only great tools provide. Have you ever tried shooting action photography? A car race, a football game, or even your child running through a park? Moments like these are over in the blink of an eye. Miss it, and it's gone forever. But with the D850, speed meets precision. Its autofocus is not just